Tambra, I left out a powerful aspect, accessing my reservoir of strength and focus that I did not know I had, namely 98% less negativity intruding into my field. I wasn't going to mention the harassment because I'll sound crazy. Nah. But I've been searching, seeking, praying for guidance as to how to handle this weirdness I've been dealing with since the 90s, and come to find out it's what you said and what I did with it. Now, today was the first day, so I'll see. I've never been able to counter it before with any consistency. Does anyone else have street lights go out over their heads when they're walking or driving? Oh, yeah. Or have neighboring houses' porch lights go out when you walk by, and many other things. I'd like to know I'm not the only one. Major weirdness for sure. Sure feels good to be able to be open about it somewhere where people have open minds and hearts. Thank you, I. Thank you for sharing. You're not weird. You are weird, but look up the etymology of the word weird, and you find that it's magical. It's literally magical. Weird means magical. So I've had this happen riding my bike and lights go out, and you know what I do? I scream and I'm like, "Oh, what the hell? What the Oh yeah. Yeah, please. Yes, more of this." I don't know what it means, but it's just so synchronistic that you gotta be the storyteller of your own life. In many cases, in most cases, in all cases, definitely seek out guidance. Definitely ask questions, me or anyone else that you feel has good storylines. But as a storyteller, I gotta tell you, you gotta make up your own story about stuff. Because if you don't, somebody else will, and then they're gonna tell you you're cursed, and then you're gonna eat up that story. But maybe it's something else that could have been better from your side, from your mind, from your beautiful storytelling mind. Tell a story that every time you go by and lights go out, it's because your light is so bright that all other lights are like, nah, I'm out. You gotta tell your story. Life has no meaning on its own. We are the ones who give life meaning. So take all the things in your life and you explain them why they're happening in such a way that you wake up in the morning and you're like, my life is a beautiful story. My life is an adventure. What is going to happen? All mistakes are challenges, quests, discoveries. Tell the story of your life so if you were to read it, you would be like, damn. Peace out, Tambra. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses, Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other Human Design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch webshop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.